Iqbalinfotech. Welcome to our comprehensive digital marketing services with course details. This step-by-step program is designed to equip you with the essential skills and knowledge to excel in the dynamic field of digital marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer looking to refine your expertise, this course covers all key aspects of digital marketing. Introduction to digital marketing. Understanding digital marketing definition, importance, and evolution. Checkmark digital marketing vs traditional marketing. Key differences and advantages. Checkmark career opportunities in digital marketing. Roles, salaries, and industry demand. Website planning or development. Checkmark domain or hosting setup. How to choose and purchase a domain and hosting. Checkmark website building platforms. WordPress, Wix, Shopify for e-commerce. Checkmark UI/UX search engine optimization (SEO). Checkmark on-page SEO keyword research, meta tags, content optimization. Checkmark off-page SEO backlinks, guest posting, and link building strategies. Checkmark technical SEO site speed, mobile optimization, scheme, social media marketing, SMM. Checkmark platform overview. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. Checkmark content calendar or scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. Checkmark paid advertising. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. Checkmark community management or engagement building. Brand loyalty. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, or Google ads. Checkmark Google ads fundamentals. Search, display, and video ads. Checkmark keyword research for PPC using Google Keyword Planner. Checkmark ad copywriting or landing page optimization. Affiliate marketing. Checkmark affiliate networks. Amazon Associates, ShareAsle, CJ Affiliate. Checkmark promotion strategies. Blogs, YouTube, social media. Checkmark tracking or optimization. Maximizing commissions. Analytics or performance tracking. Checkmark Google Analytics 4, GA4, setting up and interpreting data. Checkmark Google Search Console monitoring website performance. Checkmark social media insights measuring engagement or ROI. Checkmark conversion rate optimization, CRO, improving sales funnels. Digital marketing strategy or campaign management. Checkmark creating a digital marketing plan, setting goals or KPIs. Checkmark budgeting or ROI calculation, allocating resources effectively. Checkmark case studies or real-world projects, hands-on experience. Bonus modules. Fire influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers. Fire marketing automation tools like HubSpot, Zapier. Fire freelancing or agency setup. How to start your own digital marketing business. Why choose a course? Practical assignments or live projects. Certification upon completion. Lifetime access or updates. Expert support or community. Enroll now or master digital marketing. This course provides everything you need to become a pro digital marketer and grow businesses online. Whether you want to work for a company, freelance, or start your own agency, this training will set you on the right path. Thank you so much.